In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the NetShare app. Very simple. So this app is going to help you share your mobile phone's internet data or even connect to a Wi-Fi and extend that Wi-Fi's internet to different devices like your mobile phones, your laptops and the rest. It works even if you're using a Mac or a Windows, it's going to work for you, the internet. So now let me show you guys how to do that. So when you launch the app like this, you don't need to create any sort of account or anything. What you do is you tap on the start hotspot. Just like I said, it's used to share your internet or extend your internet, something like that. So when you do that, you can see a name has been generated automatically. You see direct-f6-9. So that's what you're going to see if you turn on your hotspot on your mobile phone. That's Android or a Mac or a Windows laptop. And now to configure the settings, you enter the password. You see the password given there. So after you enter the password, every connected device should appear under the connected devices side. And also connection instructions. For some mobile phones, you would have to enter an address and a proxy. Right. And then for some Windows, almost every Windows device too, you have to enter that. So you just go to your proxy settings, just like you can see, go to your proxy settings, enter the address you see on your mobile phone, not what you see on the screen here. Your mobile phone should have an address and a port. Enter that there. It should connect. Very simple. As very simple to use. There's not anything complicated. The only thing is your internet is going to be slow sometimes, and the phone, you are using it as an extender. Internet extender is going to be hot too as well, just like hotspot. And also you can tap on the three bars you see there to change the theme color of your app. You can move to red, green and the rest. It's up to you, and you can upgrade. And you can also upgrade to get the full version, so you can get some connection features too as well. Very simple. On the NetShare, so since I've turned it on, you can see my notification there. It has been turned and 0 devices connected. I'll have to connect a different phone and you see it go through. So that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question about the NetShare app, you let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the video. Peace.